How can we answer the challenge of reconciling prosperity and the environment, both today and in the future? Can we guarantee the comforts we enjoy in our world for future generations as well? We need the right answers. Electrical energy from hydraulic power. There is no more convincing solution for the growing demand. With the ideas of ANDRITZ Hydro. ANDRITZ Hydro is a part of the stock exchange listed technology group ANDRITZ, one of the leading worldwide suppliers of individual tailor-made plants, process technologies and services. Our achievements are based on a tradition stretching back more than 170 years, with developments whose names have become synonyms for the generation of electricity from water power. We develop environmentally friendly solutions for generating electrical energy from hydraulic power, from water to wire. But what is it that sums up our know-how? Is it the active network of staff working in our company worldwide? Is it their experience and the capacity for listening to the wishes of our customers? Is it our modern production plants or the uncompromising commitment to the highest quality? It is the sum of all these factors and much more besides. It is the world of ANDRITZ Hydro. Continuous innovation, research and development are the prerequisites for a constant improvement in the efficiency of our solutions. We speak the same language as our customers and give them answers relevant to the entire life cycle of a plant. When it's a matter of ideas for new projects, advisory services and design, from small power stations to major projects. When it's a matter of choosing the right components, or when we are optimizing the possible range of solutions in simulations and small-scale tests. We manufacture our components in the most modern production facilities in our plants all over the world. The care we take to check the quality of our products in every phase of production guarantees optimal performance. We supply and assemble the plants throughout the world and coordinate the entire procedure. We modernize existing plants, making decisive improvements in their performance and service life. Looking at the results of our work, what really convinces is the sheer variety of solutions and the optimal performance of every one of them. Each is a tailor-made contribution to the generation of electricity from hydraulic power, ecologically aware and highly effective, from water to wire. Electricity which can protect our way of life for future generations.